Hi there, welcome. Today builds on what we did last week. So it might be a good idea to go back and make sure your spine and abdominals are warm. Then we're actually gonna work on a bit of a full wheel, full back bending today with, again, our trusty friend, the roller. So we're gonna start with some bridging to open up here. We're gonna do a little bit of arch and curl, and then we're gonna find our way up to your variation of full wheel. And I'll give you lots of choices. So here we go. Let's start with our feet under the roller, vice versa, rolla under the feet. And then from here, go ahead and just lengthen out a few times. Just get the knee joints greasy, the hip joints active. Maybe one more there. And then find center. We're gonna stand like we're a little bird with talons on a perch there. And just begin to start with some, almost think a third of your full bridge here. So I'm gonna start a little bit of an arch and then picking up my booty, picking up my sitting bones, smushing grapes under my lower back. Arms from here, just gonna stay kind of floppy right now. An easy breath. We're massaging our deep core and we're massaging our lower spine. And now let's think halfway up. So maybe we're giving a massage to the back of our lungs there, the back of those ribs. Oh, I got a little shiver there. And let's do one more in this middle place. Now let's activate our arms, or maybe I'll join you, maybe you already have, and let's put our pinkies down, thumbs up. Feel the gentle press down into the mat there. And then let's really peel up to the top of our kind of Pilates bridge here. So it is say as Pilates and beyond. So keep the ribs relatively heavy and let's concentrate on scooping up. This is the bottom part of a wheel of a back bend, yeah? So we need to have this and our legs connected and open. And let's just roll back down. At the bottom, let's lengthen out. Come back in, roly-poly the roller under your talons there, and rise up. Let's take a big yawn up here. Expand the tummy, and roll it back down. Make sure all the clothes are in the most comfy place. And then rise up. Inhale, expand. Exhale, undulate down through the spine. About just 3 more there. Finding the strength in our legs. Hammies saying good morrow. Firing up the inner thighs, imagining there's that magnetic field there, feeling it. Let's do one more there. Pressing down through the palms, or the pinkies down through the arms. Yes. And lengthen out. Roll it back in and just give yourself a bit of a hug. Do a little roly-poly here, side to side. And then from there, scoop, curl, rock it up. And then similar to what we did last week, let's start, so we're awake in our lower body, in deep core here. Let's take our hands behind our head and open up the upper back, because this is where we're gonna stay to find your version. Make sure your hairs are out of the way, but to find your version of your back bend, your wheel. Here we go. Inhale, yawn back. Exhale, curl. Then we'll just move through a bunch. Inhale, mobilizing those vertebrae with our breath. Feel your feet connect. Feel the shape of them. Making imprints on the mat a little bit. And let's do 4 more here, yawning open. Narrowing the elbows a smidge, finding that spiral. Once more. We're moving. All right, let's add on the next piece of this. And again, you can stop at any piece of this puzzle. So piece number 1, let's drag our heels in comfortably close to the sitting bones. Or your bum there. Let's arch back. And actually, you know what? Let's scooch down. I always forget when the roller supports us here. It needs to be a little bit higher. So it might be on the kind of the top part of the blades back there. Again, make sure the hairs are connected to you. And then arch back, pick up your bum. And we're gonna stay here in this arch and then draw the bum down and pick it up. So we're finding the big cow spine. And then finding our Pilates bridge. And arch. And then really stand in those feet. Arch. And stand. Now, as we sit the bum down, it's almost like we want to reach the elbows in opposition. Oh. 3 more there. Find that magnetic field between the thighs. And once more. And bum down, head, neck, and shoulders curl up. Ooh. All right, so that might be enough, but I'm gonna give you some more options here. So from here, we're moving up to crown of the head. Hands come sa. Elbows spiral, arch back. Find, oops, hair's in the way, find the floor as best you can. We might need to adjust for that. Pick up the bum. So here we are, similar, yeah? Now from here, if we want to, if it's available to us, we're gonna roll up and off the roller onto the crown of the head, but most of my weight is in my feet and my hands. And then hopefully the roller didn't roll too far away. Oh, it did. That's okay. And then we're gonna adjust and curl up. Thank you, friend. Let's try it again. Arching back, setting up, splatting the hands, narrow the elbows as much as you're able, pick up the bum. Maybe this is where you stay. Maybe we roll up onto the crown of the head, hands and feet active, take a breath or 2 there. Tuck the chin, hands behind the head. Woo, maybe walk down the roller, find your balancing scoop. 1 more of your choice there. Splat. Feet. Pick up your bum. This is actually a really comfy place to be. We might even feel some length in the back of your neck. Again, if it feels okay, onto the top. Most of the weight in the feet, some in the hands. Tuck the chin. Find the roller. Scoop it up. So again, any of these steps you can stay in. Let's, if we want to add on, see what happens if we try to press up even higher. Take a big breath. Arching back. Setting up the hands, setting up your feet. Step 1. Step 2. Perhaps pushing through the feet and hands, step 3. Make sure to breathe. I just realized, oh, I didn't take my inhale. Soften down, 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 down. Thank you, roller, for being there. Let's do 2 more of your choice. Here we go. That was a lot of triceps. Arch back. Maybe step 1. Maybe crown of the head, step 2. Now we're on our own. Thank you, roller, for supporting us. Ooh, find your top. Gently look up as you come down. Support the neck. Scoopy doopy. 1 last time there. Finding your variation. Maybe you even want to stay in the arch and curl. wheel. Hello. Take a big breath or two up there. Soften down. Ooh, curl up. Let's reach around, give ourselves a big hug to balance that out. From there, reach around, rock yourself up. Find a little comfy cross-legged position, hang forward. Rolling up, switch the cross, hang forward again. Take a moment here to connect into the breath through your back body. Your wings just did you a beautiful service with its friend and partner, the roller. Give it some space. And then find your way up. Thank you, thank you. Again, find a comfortable seated position. And let's just do a little bit of a swinging spiral after that. 4 more. Thank you, spirals, for unlocking tissue, releasing toxins, and balancing out all that beautiful, deep, 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 deep extension. Thank you so much for playing along. I hope you enjoyed the support of the roller. And I will see you soon.